Okay, folks, the all-new Samsung Galaxy S24 series is finally here. I'm going to have a link in the description that's going to take you directly to an exclusive page on the Samsung website so that you can go ahead and place your pre-order of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy, whether it be the S24 or the S24 Plus or the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is the one that's highly anticipated. Again, the link will be in the description there. And of course, when you take this first step here and pre-order the phone, you will be eligible for a discount. First discount is going to be $50, and typically what they do is they do a bundle that is inclusive of additional accessories along with doubling up your storage. They typically double up that internal storage and of course add additional accessories to this, and you take advantage of that $50 up front. The link will be in the description. Now remember, many of those who wanted to buy the S23 Ultra, remember last year they had the same deal, and I was encouraging many of you to go for that deal, and then people waited until that window closed and later came back to message me when they were ready to purchase, asking whether I had a link that could take them to that pre-order type of deal. Typically, when they have a pre-order deal like this, it will offer a lot of incentive for you to go ahead and place that order ahead of time so you can take advantage of these deals. But anyways, I digress here. So the upcoming S24 Ultra is the most anticipated phone, Android phone, that we've seen in a long time, simply because the predecessor, the S23 Ultra, is the phone of the year of 2023. So there's a high level of anticipation and, high expectations in terms of what the S24 Ultra is set to offer. Personally, I am very much looking forward to seeing what the S24 Ultra will be bringing along with that Galaxy AI. I'm not sure if you are familiar, but as you know, AI is pretty much touching our lives nowadays. And we've seen what Google did with the Pixel 8 series, right? Including the Pixel 8 Pro that I own there. The way AI is integrated on that phone particularly, I personally think is pretty smooth, right? There's some stuff that it does on the phone, and of course some stuff that it does over cloud. And I know there are people who are complaining because they would love for everything to be done right on the device. My hope is to see Samsung, have the Galaxy AI do something more than what Google is offering. But you have to keep in mind, Google is leading the charge when it comes down to this AI stuff on tech, on mobile tech. But anyway, so the S24 Ultra, again, the link in the description. If you want to go ahead and pre-order right now, I will highly encourage you, especially those of you who said that they were waiting for the S24 Ultra to drop before they go for it. Many of you said that, right? I remember when I was encouraging people saying, hey, the S23 Ultra is going to be the phone of the year. Make sure you go for that if you had been, eyeing this phone. A lot of people were saying, well, the S23 Ultra is so good and I really want to get it, but the S24 Ultra is right around the corner. So if you are one of those people, meaning you are ready to purchase this, do not hesitate, hit that link today. Take advantage of all of these early discounts because once they're gone, they are gone. And of course, this is a no commitment type of sign up, right? So it's literally just your name and your email. And of course, if you decide you don't want to buy the phone, you don't even have to do anything. Samsung is just not going to process anything for you. So it's essentially just signing up. And of course, as I mentioned, if you were thinking about picking up, either the S23 or the S24 Ultra, go for it. Go ahead and sign up. Anyways, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I really just wanted to drop this video really quick, letting you know that I actually have dropped a tweet about this, and I also shared this on my community tab on the channel. You may have seen this, but this is just to reiterate so that you don't miss this, right? In case you are in the market for this phone. So make sure you go ahead and hit that link. Let me know if you have any additional questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Share this video if you know anyone who happens to be in the market for a new phone. I'm going to catch you in that next video. Of course, as always, up until that next video, stay safe out there.